Good morning one and all. Today I am going to teach about decimation in frequency algorithm, which is shortly spelled as DIF algorithm. First of all, we know the general DFT formula, that is x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 into x of n into w n power kn, where k is equal to 0 to n minus 1. Next, we can split this formula into two parts, that is summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of n w n power kn plus summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of n w n power kn. Next, we can substitute n is equal to n by 2 in the second summation. In the second summation, substitute n is equal to n plus n by 2. Substitute n is equal to n plus n by 2. So, in the second summation, you substitute the value summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n plus n by 2. Here also you substitute n is equal to, so w n power k into n plus n by 2. In next step, multiply this w n power k inside. So, you will get w n power kn into w n power k into n by 2. So, in the next step, you have to simplify this Tudor factor. Here w n power k into n divided by 2 is the constant term. So, you can take outside the summation like this way. So, summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of n into w n power k n plus w n power k n by 2 into summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of n plus n by 2 into w n power kn. In next step, you can simplify this Tudor factor, that is, we know that wn is equal to e power minus j 2 pi n. Similarly, wn power k into n by 2 can be written as e power minus j 2 pi into n by 2 into k divided by n, where this 2 and 2 get cancelled and this n and n get cancelled. So, you will get e power minus j pi k. The value of e power minus j pi k is cos pi k minus j sin pi k. E power minus j pi k value is cos pi k minus j sin pi k. So, the value is minus 1 power k. So, the answer for this value is minus 1 power k. So, you can substitute the value here. So, you will get x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into, n by 2, correct only, n by 2 minus 1 into x of n into w n power k n. This value you can write it as minus 1 power k into summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of n plus n divided by 2 into w n power k n. Now we can take this summation and w n power k n outside, because that is constant term, because that is common term for these two terms. So, you can take it summation outside, n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of n into this term also you can take it outside. So, plus minus 1 power k into x of n plus n divided by 2 into w n power k n. Okay. Now, you can substitute k is equal to 2r. This is the general equation in this algorithm. So, you can take this equation as 1. So, substitute k is equal to 2r. K is equal to 2r, that is even part. Substitute k is equal to 2r. So, x of 2r is equal to summation n is equal to n by 2 minus 1 into x of n plus minus 1 power 2r into x of n plus n by 2 into w n power 2 or n. So you got this equation after substituting k is equal to 2 or. So when k is equal to 2 or means even term, so minus 1 power any even term is 1. So this equation becomes summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of n. So it is positive value, anything power even value is minus 1 power even value is positive value. So you will get plus 1, that is plus into x of n plus n divided by 2 into w n power 2 or n. Now you can take this value as g of n. You can take this value as g of n. So you will get g of n is equal to x of n plus x of n plus n divided by 2. So that can be written as, you can substitute the value from 0 to 3 when n is equal to 0. G of 0 plus is equal to x of 0 plus x of, that is when this value is 4 divided, this value is 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus 0 is 4, so x of 4. Similarly g of 1 is equal to x of 1 plus x of 5, will get the value 5 here. Similarly g of 2 is equal to x of 2, here you will get x of 6. Similarly when n is equal to 3, g of 3 is equal to x of 3 plus x of 7. Okay. Now similarly we can substitute k is equal to 2r plus 1 in this above equation. So when k substitute k is equal to 2r plus 1 in this above equation, so you will get minus 1 power 2r. In this equation you will get minus 1 power 2r plus 1. Here you will get wn power so here also 2r plus 1 you substitute wn power n into 2r plus 1. So our next answer is x, here also x of k is equal to 2r plus 1. So x of 2r plus 1 is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n plus minus 1 power 2r plus 1 into x of n plus n by 2. Here also you can substitute 2r plus 1. So next step is n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n. This anything power minus 1, that is anything minus 1 power any odd term is negative minus 1. So you will get here minus into x of n plus n divided by 2, and here you will multiply inside wn power 2nr into wn power n. So now you can take this term as h of n. This term you can take it as h of n. So h of n is equal to x of n minus x of n plus n divided by 2. So you can substitute the values for n from 0 to 3. So again you will get the answer like the same. When n is equal to 0, h of 0 is equal to similarly x of 0 minus x of 4. And when n is equal to 1, h of 1 is equal to x of 0 minus x of 5. And when n is equal to 2, h of 2 is equal to x of 2 minus x of 6. And when n is equal to 3, h of 3 is equal to x of 3 minus x of 7. So we have got the equations. By these equations we can draw the first stage of the butterfly diagram in DAF algorithm, DAF FFT algorithm. So we can draw the first stage butterfly diagram. You can draw first 8 lines 8 lines can be drawn like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 lines you draw like this. So our input will be x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. In DIF algorithm, our input will be in the normal order and the output will be in the bit reversal order. Okay, that is first even part, then next the odd part. So output is x of 0, x of 2, x of 4, x of 6, x of 1, x of 3, x of 5, x of 7. So our output will be in the bit reversal order, our input will be in the normal order. Now you can draw the 4 lines. Starting from the first line, it should end to the 5th line. So like this you can draw. Like this you can draw. Then again from the 2nd line to 6th line. Again from the 3rd line to 7th line. Again from the 4th line to 8th line. Similarly upward. Again from the 5th line to the 1st line. Again 6th line to the 2nd line. Again 7th line to the 3rd line. Again 8th line to the 4th line. Okay. Now you will get here always -1. You will get -1. The last 4 lines contains the value -1, and this will be g of 0, g of 1, g of 2, g of 3, because our equation h of 0, h of that equation contains minus value. In that equation we have minus, so we are writing the minus line for the last 4 lines. Okay, h of 3. You will have the total factors also, that is wn power 0, wn power, correct only, wn power 0, wn power 1, wn power 2, wn power 3. Now you can join these 4 lines. So you will get like this. Here also you can join these 4 lines. You will get like this. You can join the 4 lines by a block. So n by 2 point, n by 2 point. So this is the first stage diagram, first stage butterfly diagram for DIF algorithm. The remaining part we can see in the next class. That's all. Thank you.